Okay, Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. So let's answer this question. Self-practice 3.3, your textbook exercise number 3. Okay. So this is a linear equations, solve problem question. So you must understand the given situation and then represent all the given information, use mathematical symbol. Okay, now Ramasamy wants to buy pen, pencil and notebook for the new school term. Okay, he has RM102 to spend. Okay, so he wants to buy pen, pencil, notebook. Okay, and he spent RM102. Okay, next. The price of a pen is RM5, pen RM5, a pencil RM3, and a notebook RM9. So take out all the information. Okay, keluarkan yang penting-penting. Okay, wakilkan dalam bentuk macam ni. Senang you nak tengok, nak jawab. Ramasamy intends to spend the same amount of money on pen and pencils. Okay, but before that, when we read this dia nak beli pen, pencil, notebook, and then each pen cost the price is RM5, the pencil each RM3, the notebook each RM9. So dia nak spend RM102. Meaning from this information, based on this information, okay, dia total dia spend adalah RM102. Maknanya kalau kita nak dapatkan berapa banyak yang dia beli pen, pencil, notebook, okay, so kita kena ambil berapa ringgit satu, contoh pensel, berapa ringgit satu darab dengan berapa batang dia beli. Right, so let X be the number of pen. Okay, let Y be the number of pencil and let Z be the number of notebook. Okay, so X, Y, Z here represent the number of. Okay, X the number of pen, Y the number of pencils, Z the number of notebook. So when dia spend berapa? So now he spend RM102 to buy all this. Okay, so macam mana kita nak dapatkan berapa yang dia belanja untuk pen, berapa yang dia belanja untuk pensel, berapa yang dia belanja untuk notebook. Okay, mestilah kita ambil untuk pen satu berapa ringgit darab dengan bilangan dia. Begitulah juga dengan pensel dan juga notebook. Maknanya kita nak dapatkan berapa yang dia spend untuk pensel, RM5 times the number of pen yang dia beli. Okay, for pencil, each cost RM3 and then times the number of pencil yang dia beli. Okay, for notebook the same, each cost the price is RM9. Okay, darab dengan berapa notebook dia beli. So ini semua adalah total dia punya perbelanjaan lah. Okay, which is RM102. So from here you can form one equation. Okay, 5x plus 3y plus 9z equals 102. Okay, jumlah perbelanjaan. Okay, total dia spend tadi berapa? RM102. Right, so how to get total, berapa yang dia belanjakan, you kena tambah semua ni plus everything. Right, okay, next kita baca lagi soalan. So we get one equation already. Next, Ramasamy intends to spend the same amount of money on pens and pencil. Spend same amount of money. So ini tadi amount of money or pen and pencil. Mana pen and pencil? Pen and pencil, this one. Okay, pen and pencil, right? So Ramasamy spend the same amount of money on pen and pencil. Same amount. So same amount same amount of money, on pen 5x and pencil is 3y. Okay, so ini tadi adalah amount of money lah. Okay, amount of money. Pen, dia spend 5x ringgit. 5x lah total. 1 RM5 darab dengan berapa dia beli. So total amount of money dia spend untuk pen 5x. Okay, untuk pencil 1 RM3 darab dengan berapa jumlah dia beli, y. So amount of money yang dia spend adalah 3y. Okay, so same amount of money 5x equal 3y. Pen and pencil. Okay, next. The number of pen and pencil to be purchased. The number of. So just now we represent x to represent the number of pen, y the number of pencil, z the number of notebook. The number of pen is x, and pencil total means we plus. Total number of pen is rmx. Pen is x, the total number of pen is x, and pencil, y is total number of pencil, x plus y total must be equal sign to the number of notebook. The number of notebook is z, so x plus y equals z. We get one more equation. Okay, next. How many of each item will he purchase? How many of each item? How many of each item means you must find what is x, what is y, and what is z. Okay, write a system of equations to solve this problem. Okay, so means, okay, you need to find what is x, y, and z here. Okay, so we have 3 equations. This is the first one. This is the second one, and this is the third one. Okay, so I write it. Okay, the second one is 5x equal 3y, and the first equation is 5x plus 3y plus 9z equal 102. This is the first equation. Okay, so now, okay, so you want to find x, y, and z here. So since this one, better you will use elimination method, right? So from here, I think I want to make y as my subject. So from 2, okay, if you make y as your subject, it will be 5/3x. Okay, you make y as your subject. Okay, so now 3 bring down become 5/3x. So this one I labeled it as 2a equation because it is from equation 2. Okay, then ingat lagi apa saya kata nak solve ni, cara dia you tembak dalam ni, y ni kena tembak masuk dalam third and first equation. Okay, so janganlah tembak dalam tempat yang sama, tak boleh lah sebab you dah keluarkan dia dari sini, takkan you nak tembak balik dalam ni. Okay, you tembak dalam first and third equation. So all the y here, right? All the y that is 5/3x right now. Okay, solve one by one. So now from here, from 3x plus y equals that. Okay, x plus y right now is 5/3x. Y right now is 5/3x. Okay, so you can see from here, after we make y as our subject, okay, from 3 variable, at first you have x, y, z, right? And then after you make y as your subject, now you only have 2 variable, x and z only. Okay, so that is the reason why we must express one variable as our subject, one of the variable there as your subject. Okay, so from 3 become 2, and finally you only have one variable, so you can get your answer. Okay, okay, so solve this. This one is ni pun sama, kalau nak solve dia saja 3 tembak pergi sana, so 3x plus 5x 8x over 3 equals 2 equals z. Okay, so you have this equation. Okay, next. Alright, so this one I labeled it as 3a. Okay, because from 3, right? Okay, it is from 3, from the third equation. Okay, next. Let's tembak masuk dalam 2a, tembak dalam 1. Okay, this one 2a tembak dalam 3. Okay, next 2a tembak dalam 1. Okay, tembak dalam 1, so you have 5x plus 3y, 3 times y, so put bracket, plus 9z equal 102. Okay, your y right now is 5 over 3x, this one. Okay, solve. This one can cancel, become 5x. Okay, you now have 10x plus 9z equal 102. Okay, this one is 2, because from 1, right? So 1a equation. Okay, next, you can see, you only have, okay, 2 variable. This one also the same, 2 variable. Okay, since now, okay, next you need to solve this equation and this equation, right? So since this one z is already as the subject, why not kita masuk 3a dalam 1a. So z right now is 8 over 3x. Okay, this one cancel, 3, 24. Okay, this one can solve, 34x equal 102. X is, okay, before that, let's use calculator to check your answer. So this one, okay, you must arrange it first. Okay, x plus y minus z equals 0. Next, this one, 5x minus 3y equals 0. This one, okay, ini tak payah ubah lah, the same. Okay, so you must arrange it first if you want to use calculator. Okay, so press menu and then this button. Okay, A, then choose one simultaneous equation. Unknown, you have 3 unknown. Okay, so this one, coefficient of x is 1 plus 1 equal sign. Coefficient y is also 1 plus 1 equal sign. Coefficient of z is negative 1 equal sign. Okay, and then here 0, constant, equal sign. Now second row, coefficient of x is 5 equal sign. Coefficient of y is negative 3 equal sign. Coefficient of z is 0 equal sign, and this value is also 0. This one has 0z. Okay, next the third equation, coefficient of x is 5 equal sign. Coefficient of y is 3 equal sign. Coefficient of z is 9 equal sign, and then 102. Okay, so how to get your answer? Just press shift calculate. So x is 3 equal sign, y is 5 equal sign, z is 8. So let's see. Okay, this one just now we get 102 divided by 34. Yes, 3. So is it correct X has 3? Yes. So then you can continue to find Y. Okay, since this is substitution method, to find Y, okay, you cari mana Y as your subject. Equation mana yang Y sebagai subject this one? Okay, so put in 2A. So when X is 3, okay, Y is 5/3X. Your X is 3. So you get 5. So is it correct? Yes. Next, to find Z. So the same, cari yang mana equation Z sebagai subject. This one, right? Okay, so masuk dalam ini. Okay, so to find Z, cari equation mana yang Z sebagai subject. So this equation, right? So put in this equation. So Z is 8/3X. X is 3. So you get 8 done. Z is 8, right? So the number of pen is, X just now is the number of pen. So the number of pen is 3, right? Pencil, the number of pencil is Y. So Y is 5. So the number of pencil is 5. And of course Z represent the number of notebook. So the number of notebook is 8 done.